Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Have I got something to share with you? For me, I love having like a naturally clean and kind of glowy skin, but mine was feeling dull, and this has definitely changed that for me. This KOHAR Naturals Charcoal Face Scrub is so good. The value is phenomenal, but a little goes such a long way with this. It has a nice thick texture and consistency, and that fresh, clean feeling when you rinse this off is the best. It is not abrasive, not harsh on your skin. I have a little bit of a sensitive skin too. This is definitely for all skin types, I feel. I absolutely love this. That smoothing effect that I had on my skin right fresh after, and even the next day when I put some makeup on, it was fresh and clear and so soft. My skin honestly is thanking this product hardcore. I absolutely love it. I know you absolutely will too. And that's my point of view.